Tencent is the world's largest investment corporation. Their subsidiaries specialize in internet-related services and products, entertainment, AI, and technology, both in China and globally. Tencent owns some of the most popular social media, music, e-commerce, payment systems, smartphones, and gaming companies and products. Sitting at a $500 billion market cap, I believe that Tencent will be a huge player in the years to come, taking full advantage of a growing Chinese middle class and tech scene, as well as a strong global economy in general. Hi guys, I'm Andrew Young, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. I make stock, cryptocurrency, personal finance, tech, and all sorts of videos, so if that sounds good to you, please be sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified as soon as I upload. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start off here by taking a look at the chart here. We can see that after topping at around $60, Tencent has been trading sideways for a while, and we've bounced off this $50 support line twice now. We're still above the 200-day moving average, but it is catching up. We also have this rising support line here from way back in November 2016, which is also catching up. We can see that it'll probably, given the current price action, end up bouncing off this if we do reach down there within the $49 to $51 range, so watch out for that price action. Lastly, we are in a downtrend on the RSI. More specifically, it appears to be a falling wedge, so picking up some shares if it drops down to the current wedge support level of around 35 may not be a bad idea. If it drops even further below that into the white area here, that would be quite a good entry point. I want to give a full disclaimer right now though, given the recent volatility in the market, a looming trade war with China as well as the tariffs, this stock and the market in general could behave very irrationally in the very short term, so don't read too much into the technicals. At the end of the day, the market is very news driven, so any good or bad news could give price action up or down regardless of the technicals. Zooming into a 1 hour view here, we see this gap down here in the candlestick chart. This sell-off was largely in part of Naspers, who holds a lot of Tencent shares, announced that they're selling some of their shares. They maintained a confident position on Tencent though, and they said they won't sell anymore for 3 years at least. So given all this, the sell-off was quite unjustified in my opinion, and can be seen as a buying opportunity. So let's go over some quick numbers and financials here. Tencent has been growing their revenue, earnings, and net income, all good things. In their Q4 2017 earnings call, they reported 51% revenue increase, operating profit increase of 46%, and a net profit increase of 42%. These are very strong numbers. And if you want to take a quick look at some of their other numbers here, the price to earnings ratio is a little bit expensive, but Tencent is still in huge growth mode, so I feel like this price is very justified still. Their earnings per share, they are turning good profits, and it is growing every quarter. Good stuff. And their margins are also very strong, sitting at about 28% and 28.71% here for net profit and operating margin. My favorite thing about Tencent though is their wide moat that they're building. They're in so many sectors and industries while being dominant in each one too. WeChat, which is the messaging app in China and has huge global presence as well, has a huge market share. Everything this company owns is so integral in the daily life of people in China. I fully believe that this is fundamentally very strong and sound of an investment. Tencent is one of those stocks that you buy and just hold and add whenever there's nice dips. So that's going to do it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and drop me a like and comment. I want to know what you guys think about Tencent as well. And until the next video, take it easy.